Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Glide login issues, app sync and account errors step by step clearly. To begin troubleshooting Glide login issues, first, ensure your internet connection is stable.
Check if other applications are working to confirm connectivity.
Next, open the Glide app and verify that you are using the correct login credentials. If you're unsure, consider resetting your password through the app's login page.
Once you've confirmed your credentials, attempt to log in again. If you still encounter issues, clear the app's cache from your device settings.
To do this on Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Glide, and select Clear Cache. For iOS devices, you might need to delete and reinstall the app to remove the cache.
After clearing cache or reinstalling the app, reopen Glide and try logging in again.
If this doesn't work, check the status of Glide services online or on their social media channels.
Sometimes, server issues can prevent users from logging in.
If Glide services are operational, try logging in from a different device or web browser.
This will help determine whether the issue is app-specific or account-related.
If you can log in elsewhere, return to your original device. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version available in your App Store.
Updates often fix known bugs and improve performance. If the problem persists, head to Glide's support page for additional troubleshooting tips. Consider posting your issue in community forums to seek advice from other users. If none of these steps work, contact Glide support directly for further assistance.
Be prepared to provide them with specific details about your issue for a faster resolution.
Following these steps should help you resolve your Glide login problems effectively.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.